Hey there, guys. Hope all is well. Marco here. So I just wanted to create a quick tutorial to explain how you can actually select a default currency for your gig. It's actually very easy to do, so let's get into it. So let's go to add a new gig. And let's create like a test product. It says product. Just give it a price 19. Select the category. It's a book. Payment gateway. Credit card. All right, so if we scroll down, you can see the default currency tab. And here on this tab, you can actually select the currency that the customer will be charged in. So if we select Euro, the customer will be charged in Euro for this currency. So let's just publish this gig and see how it reflects on the front end. Let's see the product page. All right, great. Yeah, as you can see, we set the price of 19 and we set the currency to be the euro. All right, yeah, it's that easy. So yeah, that's about it. And thanks for watching.